Research for how to buy shares of Collplant Biotechnologies Ltd, a biotech firm that develops human recombinant collagen for regenerative medicine and related products. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CLGN, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CLGN to find Collplant Biotechnologies Ltd. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to reach the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to see recent movement in context. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker CLGN to ensure this is the correct listing. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirmation. After the transaction, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example steps.